This trailer is freaking awesome. So this is actually from the Tesla site, and they have this trailer on here. So you watch the slideshow? Holy crap. Imagine seeing that on the highway. That's fantastic. It's like Optimus Prime. I want to see what the price is on that thing. Holy crap, that's cool. Okay, so yeah, so you're tailing this thing along. This would be perfect for me. I do movies, and a lot of times we build set pieces, and I can fill it up. And that would be amazing. So I want to know the pricing on this. This is hopefully this is something that's going to be for sale. I was looking for the ATV on the Tesla site, and this showed up in the slideshow. So if you go to the Cybertruck site, to the Tesla site, and just like leave it there, this bad boy shows up. Holy crap, that would be amazing. All right, well, okay, let's go to the actual site. So I'll show you guys. Electric cars. Okay, so we're here at the Tesla site, and we will choose the Cybertruck. So it starts here. Is it after order now, maybe? So let's go order now. No, that's not it. Let's see that again. So let's leave it here. How did I find that? Where is this slideshow? No. All right. Maybe it's trickier to find. So I'm not sure how to find it. I'm sure if you click through, you'll find the slideshow. But that trailer is freaking awesome. There's also some other photos. I screen grabbed them. Let's see. So there was this one. Again, oh, it's so beautiful. Again, if you watched my last video, I was undecided through it, but by the end of it, I realized that I really love the look. I really want one of these. It finally. So let's go through my photos here. I also grabbed. Oh, this one was cool. So it's you're gonna take your Roadster camping, and it seems like there's an attachment that goes on top for camping. So this might be one of the accessories. So that is super cool as well. What else was there? I think that was it. That's the only two new things that I saw. But again, guys, this trailer is sick, man. Imagine driving that. People looking at you. Oh, God, it's cool. It's like you're driving a Transformer, like I said. All right. I don't know. It's the first I saw of it. And why can't I find it on the site again? Did they pull it down? No, they can't have. Let's click buy now, maybe? Oh, is it here? Here it is. So it's under, go to the Cybertruck, go down, I don't remember that being one of them. This is it here. There it is. Okay, so it's down there. It's fantastic. I don't know, this is the first I've seen of this frickin' trailer that matches the car and the truck. The truck is badass. The interior is badass. That trailer is badass. I love this truck. I'm going crazy here. I'm going to buy that too. I want to go camping with my Roadster. The wheels are sick. Everything is cool about this truck. I'm totally in. I am a shareholder, but I'm truthful. So I'm going to talk about the numbers, the pre-orders in a minute, and you'll see what I mean. But wow. Yes, I want. Okay, so let's go to what I actually was going to talk about. Then all of a sudden that trailer showed up and my mind blew up. All right, so let's go to pre-orders. So we've got, Tesla says it's got 180. Oh, no. Hold up. Where is the Roadster one? That was just to prove a point. So here we go. Okay, so 146,000 pre-orders within 48 hours. Musk then breaks that down. So we've got, I don't know why they did start with the middle one, but okay, so the cheap one, the 39,900 one, is 17% of people chose that one, just with a single motor. Then the one that I'm looking at, the dual, is, although we'll see, hopefully in 2 years I can make some more money and get the tri-motor that does 0 to 60 in 2.9 seconds. Crazy! Okay, so this is probably the one I'm going to buy though. And most people chose the dual motor, and 41% chose the more expensive one, which is like $70K. Now, that's, if you do the math on this, it's insane. So let's just say we average it out, because this is what, 39,000? These ones are 50,000 and 70,000. I don't know, let's just napkin math it. Let's go, I threw it in here, so let's just go like people are going to do that $7,000 upgrade. A lot of people do that so your car can drive by itself. Because when you're going for this thing, you're not going to skimp out on that thing. And on resale, you do want that extra $7,000. So let's just say, I don't know, let's say things average out at like $57,000 average. I'm just making this up. This is just an example. Let's say $57,000 for everything. And then let's times it by, now again, it's what, 146,000 people pre-ordered. Not all of them are going to buy. But again, the lead up to that for the next 2 years, when they friggin' show that trailer, do a video. That's going to get people excited. Release that. Well, I guess I am. So let's say 146,000. Let's say 100,000 people go through with the pre-order. So did I already do the times? Times 100,000 people buy it at that price. You're looking at $5 billion. $5.7 billion. That's crazy. So, geez, I'm all in. I'll probably be buying one. I was looking for a truck. I don't like buying new, but dang, that's cool. I wonder, but tell me how much the trailer is too, so I can save up. I got 2 years to save up. Okay, so anyways, here's my knock on it though. The Model 3 was $1,000 deposit, and it doesn't say refundable. So I'm not sure. Yeah, the Model 3 was $180,000, the $1,000 deposit. The Cybertruck is $100. So to have $100 tied up, it's really not that big of a deal. $1,000 tied up, that is a big deal. So you were really serious about it. So how serious are these 146,000? Again, I'm bullish on Tesla. I'm a shareholder. I'm biased, but at the same time, I'm fair. I don't know why the deposit was so low. Why not just stick with Model 3? Did they think if it was 1,000, they wouldn't get as many? Are they just doing this for marketing so they can spin it and say that it was close to the Model 3? Yeah, probably. But again, at first I was shocked by the vehicle. I have, over the days, have started to think it's like the coolest thing ever. The power, the function of it. I'm a function guy. I don't really care that much about form. But the form's grown on me. I think it's actually badass. You're like a Mad Max driving that damn thing. Okay, so what else? Now again, let's look at actually ordering this thing. Oh, Cybertruck trailer. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. I don't know why they don't do an announcement about that. All right, so let's go to order now. Okay, so the one I'm probably going to be buying. So this one goes 0 to 60 in 6.5 seconds with a 250 plus mile range. So this one does 300 for the mile range, 4.5 seconds. So people are going for the sweet ass 2.9 second. If I could afford that, it's an extra 20K US, right? 50 to 70, right? And then you want to get this one too. You want to get the self-driving for sure, right? Just on resale, you don't want the one that you just want to jump in, throw it in your GPS, it drives you right there. It's going to get on the highway, it's going to do everything. So for resale value, if you're going to spend this money, I recommend doing the self-driving. And like this says, you're securing the price when there's increases in the future. So let's bring this up to learn more. Currently enabled features require active driver supervision and do not make the vehicle autonomous. The activation and the use of these features are dependent on achieving reliability far in excess of human drivers, as demonstrated by billions of miles of experience, as well as regulatory approval, which may take longer in some jurisdictions. Like I live in Canada, it's going to take a while. California may allow this way before Canada. As these self-driving features evolve, your car will be continuously upgraded through over-the-air software updates. So obviously, it's just saying you have to be sitting in the driver's seat. Musk, I guess, said he wanted to get rid of the driver's wheel, steering wheel. What do you guys think of the steering wheel? I don't think I've mentioned that before. It's a yoke style. So let's bring that up. Let's go, let's see. Tesla Cybertruck yoke. I hope I can just get a regular steering wheel. So it's a Knight Rider style yoke. Is there any pictures? It's not showing that. Oh, here it is here. Let's zoom in on this. Okay, so there it is there. So that is, I'd rather have just a regular wheel. I don't know if you can actually see that. Sort of, there you go. So I guess it would take getting used to. How good are these? Have you guys ever driven anything with that style? I like the wheel. I like to grab at different points. This seems like it's forcing me to grab, side to side, where sometimes I don't really hold it like that. So if I could opt for a regular steering wheel, I would. What about you guys? Anyways, guys, that's it for now. What do you guys think of that sick trailer, man? Oh my God, that would be the coolest thing driving that down the highway. You look like such a badass. It's just incredible. I'm a science fiction guy, so this is like right up my alley. I have no problems driving that. I would love to drive that. Celebrities are gonna be driving this thing down the road. They're gonna look like badasses. Then finally, see, there's early adopters. There's guys that just know what they like, right? Like, I know what I like. I like it. It took me a little while. I just had to let my brain soak it in, but now I love it. There's early adopters, and then there's people that follow. Most people follow. So once you see people, you see Drake driving that thing down the road, and you see him in videos, it's going to be in music videos. Once the people see that people are buying it and it's cool, then their tastes will follow. So that's just how things work with that. But anyways, guys, what do you guys think? What do you think about that super sick trailer that I haven't heard anything about? Comment below. Would you buy the trailer? What do you think about the yoke? What do you think about the pre-orders? Is it going to lead to actual sales? Anyways, guys, please like this video. Please comment below, subscribe, and hit that bell button, and I will talk to you guys later. Cheers. Bye.